Meet the TQ-DC40, Tugger cart, quad steer, dual bay, C-size, 4,000-pound capacity. Jtec's CarryMore mother-daughter cart system is proven to boost productivity and increase safety. The fully mechanical design has extremely low maintenance and is 100% field serviceable to minimize downtime. The patented Elimate loading system lifts daughter carts securely into mother carts for safe and smooth transport. Lifting the daughter carts off the ground and locking into place reduces wear, replacement caster cost, noise, and allows for improved ergonomics, ensuring one rigid caster always facing forward. The TQ-DC40 is commonly pulled in standard routes of 3 to 6 carts, has superior trailing and tight turning capabilities, with quad steering that turns all 4 casters into the turn. A standard 2-inch ball and coupler, a quick change tongue that allows the daughter cart to be pulled in either direction. It can accommodate 2 daughter carts at once, up to 28 inches wide and 50 inches deep, or 1 large cart 72 inches wide and 50 inches deep. We have thousands of daughter cart designs that can be customized to meet your material movement needs. To learn more, reach out and have your account manager contact you today.